No, I understand you're there. Mr. Shemke?
Hi, Your Honor.
Meet you right in the courtroom. Yes, good afternoon. Excuse me, still good morning.
Oh, yes, I wish it was already afternoon. Okay, let's go on the record of the matter of the state of Michigan versus Lynn Baumgarten, 231389, and then the matter of Lynn Baumgarten, 222315. Appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, on behalf of my client, consenting to the matter being heard via Zoom.
Okay. Okay, and Ms. Baumgarten, your name, please.
Lynn Baumgarten.
Okay, and so today's date scheduled for sentencing on your client's plea to resisting and obstructing an officer, as well as probation violation on her matter that she's on probation for possession of controlled substance. And counsel, did you have an opportunity to review the report and recommendation as to the sentencing?
Yes.
All right, and as to the report?
Factually accurate, no additions, deletions, or corrections.
Okay, and as it relates to the probation violation, counsel, that your client failed to submit to drug testing on July 5th, July 7th, August 2nd, took a drug test on August 15th, positive for cocaine, failed to appear for drug testing on September 5th, and failed to attend probation visit on July 11th. What's your client doing with those?
Your Honor, we're not going to have a hearing regarding this. She's prepared to admit responsibility to the violations.
Okay. All right, ma'am, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this man the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, thank you. And you heard the plea, or you heard what your attorney indicated, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And as to the allegations, ma'am, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Okay. And you've gone over your advice of rights for probation violation purposes, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights?
I do.
You also understand by entering the plea, you'll be waiving some of those rights, specifically your right to a contested hearing.
Yes. And
you understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court or any other court.
I do.
You understand the recommendation here is for probation to be revoked and you serve 45 days jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And has anybody promised or anything, threatened you or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, and counsel, if you can please, what are your clients?
All right, I'd like to direct your attention to your bond conditions. Did you fail to submit to a drug test on July 5th, July 7th, and August 2nd?
Yes.
Did you further fail to submit to a drug test on September 5th of 2023?
That's correct.
Did you fail to attend your scheduled probation visit on July 11th?
Yeah.
And then finally, does the drug test you took on August 15th indicate the use of cocaine?
Yes, it did.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Because I'm not satisfied, please, knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violation. And I'm muting your client because of all the background noise, counsel, for the record. And as to the recommendation on that matter, then we'll handle the sentencing. Well, we can handle the sentencing and the recommendation at the same time, if you'd like.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd ask that any further jail time be suspended for a potential jail review. Although she didn't do well on bond, she's indicated to me that her time in custody has given her an opportunity to reflect on her actions and behavior and to see exactly how much she has to lose. I would ask that she have one final opportunity to demonstrate full compliance with terms, conditions of probations, as I do believe they would provide her the necessary guidance to go forward and not find herself in precarious positions like this in the future. Judge, the opportunity for the court to put my client into custody will always remain, especially with a probationary term. So I'd ask that she have one final opportunity to demonstrate with the knowing and understanding that if she violates even in the slightest, which means a missed drug test, that the consequences will be dire and severe and very swift. Thank you, Judge.
All right, so, your attorney is, advocating zealously on your behalf so that this court does not continue your jail time, despite the fact that while you were out on bond, you, or while you're out on probation, you not only had 6 technical violations, but then you picked up another case.
I understand. But I need to change my life and I want to do it the right way.
You want to change your life. What does that mean? The right way, what does that mean?
Like doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, going to probation, going to test, getting my health back together, working, so it will work on my mental health. And yes, I just want another opportunity, Your Honor. I won't do anything wrong.
How many opportunities should you have, ma'am? You've had
This would
6
be the
on
last.
probation.
I understand. I won't do anything wrong. I know the consequences. I've been in here and I don't want to ever come back here.
And have you been in the Wayne County Jail previously?
No, I have not. This is my first
Never.
time.
You've
Never.
never been in the Wayne County Jail.
No. This is my first time getting in trouble, this past year. And I'm 46 years old.
Right, so what's going on that you've been getting in trouble now?
I just was going through a whole lot in my life. And I turned to the wrong thing instead of turning to my family, turning to everything that I should have been turning to. I turned to the wrong thing, turned to drugs. And I don't want drugs. I'm not craving it anymore. I just craving my old life back and working and my family.
Okay.
I
Well,
just
ma'am,
want my life back.
okay, you had this matter November 2nd. Then you failed to appear. You had picked up another case in the 33rd District Court. Were you participating in the sobriety court there or no?
No, they didn't give me that.
Okay. And so while you're out on bond and a warrant in this case, you pick up another case. Then you get sentenced in this case, and then you pick up a felony. And then
I know. I understand, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get better and stop doing wrong, making bad decisions.
all right, so here's what the court's going to do. The court's going to adopt the recommendation as the probation violation. The court's going to indicate 45 days jail. Defendant to be tethered to treatment facility.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm indicating you to be tethered to a drug treatment facility
Okay,
through the Wayne County Jail. The probation was
Ma'am.
revoked. Sorry? All right, you have 3 warrants out for your arrest also, ma'am.
3 warrants.
Yes, those are. Out of Taylor.
That's unpaid tickets. Traffic violation.
Yes, also out of 33rd.
Yeah.
All right. As to the sentencing on your case from September 7, on your plea to the assaulting resisting an officer, the court's going to indicate 45 days jail.
So how many days in jail do I have?
I will indicate you're to be tethered to treatment, to drug treatment through the Wayne County Jail.
So I don't have to do any jail time?
I'm indicating you can be tethered to Wayne County, to treatment through the Wayne County Jail.
Okay. For 90 days?
90 days, yes.
All right.
All right. So I'm going
Thank you,
to,
Your-
all right, good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you. Let's go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there something legitimate?